In this video, we will show you how to reset your Defender Guard Pro camera. To start, go to the Guard Pro camera you would like to reset. When it is safe to do so, locate the reset button underneath the camera. Simply press and hold the reset button until you hear a beep coming from the camera. Ensure that the LED at the front of the camera is flashing green before attempting to add your camera again. If the LED at the front of the camera is solid red, this means that your camera is initializing. Please wait up to 15 seconds and it will turn to a flashing green. If the LED at the front of your camera is flashing red, this means that the camera is not connected or there is an internal error. Please attempt to reset your camera again up to 2 more times by holding the reset button for 15 seconds. If the error persists, please do the following. First, verify your camera is connected to your home or business Wi-Fi network using a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. To check, log into your Defender Guard app and tap the Me icon at the bottom right of your screen. Then tap Device Center and select the camera you are looking to reset. Now scroll down to the Wireless LAN section and tap. Here you will verify that your camera is connected to your home or business Wi-Fi network using a 2.4 GHz connection. If you are not sure about your Wi-Fi frequency, try to connect to your Wi-Fi network that does not have a 5, 5G, or 5 GHz in the name. If you are still experiencing difficulties locating your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, contact your internet service provider or visit defendercameras.com. Once you confirm you're on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, make sure your camera is at least 6 feet away from your Wi-Fi router. The last thing to do is to verify that your Wi-Fi network is strong enough. Place your mobile phone by the camera. Then verify your phone's Wi-Fi connection to the same network has at least 2 bars, or try using our network quality check tool in the app. For step-by-step instructions, click the link in the top right corner of your screen. Once the LED on the front of your camera is flashing green, your camera is ready to begin pairing with your Defender Guard app. To pair your camera, please refer to the video How to Connect Your Guard Pro Camera to Your Guard app. For step-by-step instructions, click the link in the top right corner of your screen. Once your camera is paired, the LED on the front of the camera will turn solid green, confirming the camera is connected and online. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you protect what matters most. For more tips and how-to videos, click the subscribe button or visit defendercameras.com.